Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of millionaires and uncovering the secrets behind their incredible success. In this video, we will explore the 5 millionaire mindset, habits and traits of wealthy individuals. So, if you've ever wondered what sets millionaires apart from the rest, keep watching to find out. Number 1, vision and goal setting. Our first trait of wealthy individuals is having a clear vision and effective goal-setting strategies. Having a clear vision is like a compass that guides millionaires towards their dreams. They not only define their long-term objectives, but break them down into actionable steps, fostering a sense of purpose and direction. By setting smart goals, they can track progress and make necessary adjustments to stay on course. Moreover, wealthy individuals visualize their success vividly, harnessing the power of the law of attraction to manifest their aspirations into reality. They understand that every accomplishment starts with a well-defined vision and unwavering commitment. So, whether it's a budding entrepreneur aiming to revolutionize an industry or an investor seeking financial independence, a strong vision and effective goal setting form the bedrock of the millionaire mindset. Number 2, financial literacy and investment. Financial literacy is the cornerstone of the millionaire mindset, enabling them to make informed decisions about their wealth. They prioritize learning about the intricacies of money management, understanding complex financial instruments, and staying updated on market trends. By constantly expanding their financial knowledge, millionaires are equipped to identify lucrative investment opportunities and mitigate risks effectively. Their investment strategies are diverse and well-researched, ranging from stocks and real estate to businesses and startups. They balance high-risk ventures with stable, long-term investments to create a diversified portfolio that can withstand market fluctuations. Additionally, they don't rely solely on financial advisors. Instead, they take an active interest in managing their finances to ensure their money works as hard as they do. Ultimately, financial literacy empowers millionaires to build and sustain their wealth over time. Number 3, persistence and determination. Persistence and determination are the driving forces that propel millionaires towards greatness. They understand that success rarely comes overnight and are prepared to weather the storms that accompany the pursuit of their goals. Through showcasing inspiring stories of successful entrepreneurs, we witness firsthand the unwavering spirit they exhibit in the face of adversity. Rejections, failures, and obstacles become stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. The ability to bounce back from setbacks and learn from mistakes is what sets wealthy individuals apart. They cultivate a growth mindset that embraces challenges and views them as opportunities for learning and improvement. This unwavering commitment to their vision, coupled with the courage to face uncertainties, empowers millionaires to persevere and ultimately achieve their dreams, proving that determination and resilience are invaluable qualities on the path to wealth and success. Number 4, creativity and innovation. In the ever-evolving landscape of business, creativity and innovation serve as powerful tools for millionaires to maintain a competitive edge. They embrace a mindset that encourages thinking beyond conventional boundaries, challenging the status quo, and finding novel solutions to complex problems. By fostering a culture of creativity, they inspire their teams to push the limits of what's possible. Moreover, millionaires continuously seek out new trends and emerging technologies, adapting and integrating them into their ventures. They view change as an opportunity rather than a threat, positioning themselves as industry leaders for their pioneering ideas. This appetite for innovation allows them to anticipate market demands and cater to the evolving needs of consumers, ensuring sustained growth and relevance. Creativity and innovation are not merely luxuries for millionaires. They are the lifeblood of their success. Number 5, time management and productivity. Time management and productivity are prized assets in the arsenal of millionaires. They understand that every second counts, and effective time management can make or break their success. One key aspect of their approach is setting clear priorities and adhering to a well-structured schedule. They allocate time strategically, ensuring that high-priority tasks receive their full attention. Additionally, wealthy individuals are adept at delegating responsibilities to capable team members, freeing up their time to focus on critical decisions and growth-oriented activities. They leverage technology and productivity tools to streamline processes and eliminate time-wasting activities. Moreover, they maintain a healthy work-life balance, recognizing that personal well-being is crucial for sustained productivity. By mastering the art of time management, millionaires can achieve more in a day than most people do in a week, leading them to extraordinary achievements and unparalleled success. There you have it, the 5 millionaire mindset, habits and traits of wealthy individuals. From setting clear goals to embracing a growth mindset, managing time effectively to giving back, millionaires exemplify these traits that contribute to their extraordinary success. Remember, adopting these millionaire mindset habits is not just about amassing wealth, but also about becoming the best version of yourself and achieving your fullest potential. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay inspired and keep striving for success.